Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's like the old times. Before we proceed to your last quiz, which is the nodal met quiz. So let's go back from week 1 to week 6 up to the, well, we cannot discuss this one today since the due date is until today. So maybe tomorrow, okay, for those who would like to ask the solution for the superposition theorem. So does anyone has a question from week 1 up to week 6 up to the, let's say, the pre-made video or the uh, module itself or even the study? Maybe we can discuss this one. If none, just give me a thumbs up just to let you know that you yourself doesn't have a question. So 3 out of 19. So I don't know where the others are. But anyway, so just let me know if you guys have a question, okay? So I just published the your last quiz before your midterm exam, which is the nodal method quiz. So the due date of this one will be on June 20. So you guys have a week from now to finish this quiz. So yeah, so far that's the only thing that I would like to mention for today since this is the last topic and the last quiz. So your exam schedule will be next week. So take note, it's not Monday, it will be on Tuesday. So it's here under exam schedule. It's June 21 at 7:30 p.m. So can you guys please check if you guys have a conflicting or if you have a conflict schedule for the electrical circuits lab? I think we've set it Wednesday. Yeah, I think Wednesday or Thursday. Let's see. Oh, it's the same. No. 16. Thursday. Okay, so your exam on laboratory. So this is for electrical circuits lab CP13A-F. That would be on Thursday. Yes, the examination is online. Lahat naman, I think, they won't allow us to have a exam on, at school. So all exams are online via Canvas. So are we clear so far for those who have a laboratory? So for lecture, it's June 21. For laboratory, it's June 16. Okay. So just message me if ever there is a conflict with your examination dates and time, so I can maybe adjust it for you. For example, maybe you can take it at night, say 7:30 p.m. onwards, so long as you're free. Okay. So yeah. So far, that is the only thing that we need to discuss: the nodal merit quiz and then your examination date. Okay. So of course, the coverage of your midterm exam will be from module 1 to module 6. So yeah, that is all for today's meeting. So if you guys don't have any other questions or clarification anymore, then you guys may now go. Just use the remaining time to finish the quiz or to study about nodal merit quiz. Okay. PM ba? Is it AM? I am. Okay, so let me just change this one into PM. before by default this one is PM. I don't know what happened, why it became, by
Sir,
default
dun
it's
din
PM.
question na, sir.
Yes.
Sa superstition din po is superposition.
Super.
AM din po.
Sige, change na din. There you go. So you
Thank you,
guys
sir.
have until today to finish the superposition DNS. For the F to F, since we're going to have your exam this week and until next week, probably June 27 onwards. Okay, that would be the date for our limited face-to-face. Okay, or if not, then that would be on July 4 onwards. Okay, so that depends. But most likely it's June 27. June 27 onwards. Okay. Any other questions or concerns? Right. So that would be all for today. So if you guys don't have any other question anymore, you guys may now go. As always, thank you guys for coming. A blessed day, to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too, and goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.